So in today's home exercise tutorial, we are going to go over another balance exercise. Now, balance just naturally declines as we age. There's a variety of reasons for that. Our reaction time gets worse as we age. The sensation in our feet changes, our vision changes a little bit, our hearing changes. All of that together can make it a little bit more challenging to do the things that you love because you're not confident when you do them. Whether you're a golfer or you're a fitness fanatic, a gym fanatic, or you're a grandparent fanatic and you play with your grandchildren, anyone can benefit from improving their balance to be able to enjoy the activities that you do day to day without fear of falling. So hopefully you will benefit from this exercise that we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this exercise, we're actually going to use a pillow. I even feel a little bit awkward standing on a pillow, probably something to do with the way I was raised, but go ahead and just designate one pillow in your house as a standing pillow because it is a great way to work on your balance. One thing that happens over time is the sensation in our feet changes or diminishes a little bit, and that's a great way that our brain gets information as to where we are in space. So when we start to lose that sensation in our feet, it does make it a little bit more challenging to make a balance correction when you are off balance. So what we're doing now is we're basically eliminating that system altogether. So all that sensation that we get, all that sensory input that we get from our feet, the pillow kind of diminishes all of that. So what that does is it requires us to use other balance systems that we have built into our bodies to maintain our balance. The other thing that the pillow does is, because it's not a firm surface, our ankles just have to work a little bit harder to keep us balanced. So it's also strengthening the muscles in your ankles. So what you're going to do is you are just going to stand on one foot. Now I have this chair here. Definitely use a chair. I highly, highly, highly recommend using a chair. You're going to keep this knee soft and you're just going to balance. When you feel like you have it pretty good, you can try lifting that hand up but still hovering over the chair. And you just hold it. So I have a soft knee right here and I'm just lifting it up, and my challenge to myself is, how long can I hold it? You can see my ankle works pretty hard to help keep me balanced. So you're strengthening that ankle, you're improving your balance strategies. You don't have to rely so heavily on your feet. So your vision, using your eyes to help you maintain balance versus having to rely 100% on that feedback that you get from the floor. And again, you're just working on holding that as long as possible. All right, and this leg gets tired, you just switch over to the other leg and you do the same thing. Now, if that's pretty easy for you, there's a million ways that you can progress this to make this more challenging. If that is easy for you, you can put those arms out in front of you and add a little twist. When you add this twist, focus on a spot, a stationary object in front of you to help you keep your balance. You can see how much more challenging this is for my leg, and that would be the case for anyone. But all these little adjustments that you see my leg making, all that's doing is developing more strength in that leg. And then if you start to lose your balance, just put the leg back down before you get too far off balance. I hope you found this home exercise tutorial helpful today. I thank you, as I do in every video. I'm so grateful for those of you that have subscribed to my channel this year. I love it when you like and you comment. It motivates me to keep creating more videos that are helpful and that you all can benefit from. So keep the comments coming, keep the likes coming, share the videos so that others can benefit from this information. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel below. Again, until next time, I hope you all have a great day.